Today, I'll show you how to add a bank account on Bill.com. Whether you're managing finances for a business or just keeping your personal accounts in order, linking your bank account can be a game changer in streamlining your payment processes. Let's dive into it and make this task as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to head over to your Bill.com account dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing all the features and settings you need to manage your financial transactions. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the settings gear icon. You'll typically find this in either the top right or bottom left corner of your screen, depending on your interface layout. Clicking this icon will open up a menu with various options. And from here, we're going to focus on the bank and payment accounts section. This section is crucial because it's where you'll manage all aspects of your bank interactions within Bill.com. Under this category, you'll see an option labeled Bank Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. Selecting bank accounts will take you to a page where you can view and manage the bank accounts currently linked to your Bill.com profile. If this is your first time setting up an account, this page might look a little sparse, but don't worry, adding a new account is straightforward. On this page, look for a blue button that says Set Up Bank Account. Clicking this will initiate the process of linking your bank account to Bill.com. Now, you have a couple of options to choose from. You can either go for instant verification or opt for a manual setup. Instant verification is the quickest method, allowing you to connect your bank account almost immediately. This option typically involves logging into your bank account through a secure portal to verify your details instantly. It's convenient and saves you a lot of time. However, if you're not comfortable with this method, or if your bank isn't supported for instant verification, you can choose the manual process. The manual option will require a bit more patience, as it involves entering your bank details manually and possibly waiting for small verification deposits to be made to your account. Once those deposits show up in your bank account, you'll need to confirm the amounts in Bill.com to complete the verification process. This option is just as secure, albeit a bit slower. Remember, whichever method you choose, keep your banking information secure and double-check your entries to ensure everything is accurate. Linking your bank account not only makes managing your payments easier, but also enhances the security and efficiency of your transactions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added your bank account to Bill.com, setting yourself up for a smoother financial management experience. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and here's to efficient financial management with Bill.com.